shrine. Sa English, Mama Mary. Mother Mary. Tama ba sa mga English term na? Shrine of Mother Mary. Yes. This is our way, guys. Kini? Mabed mi nga. Buwan. Hindi na kayo na ako magamit ka na yung 0.6 na lang ako. Yan. That's our way, guys. Our driver is over here. I'm with my sister and friends and we will going to pray the crisis happening. Dahil dili ka mag-smile na ha. Boy, ang side, oh dira, dire di ay, agoy kadali naman dai. So we're here, guys. Dili lang siguro ito ipasunod. Bilin na natin. Bilin. The road is very narrow. Go reverse. Go. Walay kanal. Mayon ako stop ha. Sige pa. Ay stop. Pagbawi ka nang madto siya dito nga side ang lubot niya. Sound. Yeah, guys. Okay ka na, good. You're doing a good job. Op. Okay, that's good na. Bidjuan din na ka. Uy! Wow! Sana? So this is Our Lady of Grace din sa dito. Ay dili oy kay kon kay curve guys ya oy. Ay curving kayo oy. Pwede ta kon dire. I-park. Dire. The dragon fruit. Wala naglag candle. Palit na dito sa. Palit ta candle. Pwede bili na lang ang cellphone bagay pasignalan. Kaluoy tag iya. Wala gipasignalan na niya dira. Hoy magpalit sa kandila. So we will going to buy candle first guys kay we're going to lit a candle there. So we're looking for a store and everyone is closed. Wala man. So di lang sa tabag candle.
Layo apa man dito, uy.
Penitensya man na. So this is a lake. Nay water?
Dai. Smile dai. Hi. Ali ba? Ali, picture ta. Dito ba? Adik lang karon na ay. Ali ba? Hoy, kahulog.
My niece and nephew.
Ay, Lirio.
Oh, Lirio.
Lirio, nga na. Lirio, section ng bantay sa una.
So work here on the top of the mountain, where this is like a sort of a retreat place, or what they call this, a prayer mountain. So let me show you guys. Oh. So they're planting dragon fruits here. Oh, lagi. Tiredness na.
Ano, walking din ka.
Nanti dahil chapel nila dali. Oh. No eating gani no. Ang tumbler rin, bilhin lang dito. Wala man dito.
Oh, marami nagbak sa tabok. Sana taping.
Hindi nga na pagkaktas to sa tabok na. Na overwhelm man sa tayo.
Ang tagay-tagay ba?
So this is where you can light a candle, but unfortunately we haven't because the store is closed.
Sana John.
Ginawa sa.
Okay.
Wow. Maupo dili ka ng buntag sa'yo. Early in the morning is the best to come here. The sun is not so high, so it's not so very hot, you know. Oh, really? So this is the view. You can see all over mountains there. It is the top of the hill. That is the main road. Going there. So guys, we will be leaving now. So the others are already there. So yeah, that's it. Well, I guess this is it's a wild, it's a kind of berry, raspberry. I don't know if we can able to pick it up, but no, I guess it's a farm. So yeah.